Navigating myWPI. Open a new browser window and go to our homepage, www.wpi.edu. At the top of this page, you will see a gray bar with a set of links. You will come back to this bar for a few things. Click on the far left-hand link, named myWPI. You may want to bookmark this one, because it is the same link that you will use to view all of your course materials. However, before we take you into myWPI for a preview, we need to make sure that you are using a web browser that is compatible with the WPI system. Scroll to the bottom of the login page and you'll see a box named Quick Browser Check. The yellow bar immediately below the Quick Browser Check will take you to the full browser check. It is a good idea to run this before continuing on in this video. If you find that any of your browser settings need to be updated in order to run myWPI, the check will provide you with instructions. Now that you've successfully checked your browser, let's go back to the myWPI login page. Once you have your WPI email address, you will use the red bar to log in. But, for now, let's start off by clicking the lower, dark gray bar that comes up. This will allow you to log in as a guest or test student. Then, on the next page, below the login information, click on Preview as Guest. You may have to scroll down a little to see this link. This page is where you choose which of your courses to view. Look in the center of the page where it lists courses and click on the top course that is listed, Blackboard 9.1 for students. For this tutorial, you will read the instructions in the center of the page and follow along by clicking in the left-hand links. You should take your time in this section to become familiar with all aspects of navigating your course site. You can pause me, I don't mind, and you can revisit this preview as often as you choose. Just a note, under Item 5, Course Materials, please make sure that you click on Embedded Materials and watch the demo lecture capture video. It is about 8 minutes long and will give you a good idea of what to expect to use in future courses. Some things may look a little different in myWPI when you are logged in as a student. For example, the Course Tools section will show a list of options which are not available to you as a guest, including the discussion board and a link for Adobe Connect, WPI's web conferencing tool. Some instructors choose to use Adobe Connect for virtual office hours, discussions, or to allow project teams to collaborate on their group work. Your operations manager can send you a link to information on technical requirements, as well as setting up and participating in an Adobe Connect event.